Good morning, class. Good morning. How are you? How's your week? Good. Kindly settle down before we start the lesson. Let me take the call. Nelly Marodas. Sheila Chemtai. Charity. Present. Shishuni. Beatrice. Present. Can see your all name. Our topic for today will be business ideas. Now, lesson objective or specific objectives will be by the end of this lesson. All learners should be able to define the term business idea. Define the term business idea. Identify ways of generating business idea, generating business ideas, and also explain sources of business idea. When you look at this circle, I've written business idea. What comes to your mind? But before we define the term business idea, what is the meaning of an idea? What do you understand by an idea? Yes, Chemtai?
It's a concept for a new idea.
Very good. Can you clap for Chemtai? Concept. Chemtai said it is a concept. Another thought of a business or an idea?
Maybe inform new decision.
New decision. Something new. New decision. Any other definition of an idea? Yes, which is a thought. It is a thought or something. Thought. An idea can also be a plan. Plan of something. Something that is in your mind. An idea is basically a thought or a mental concept that represents something, and it can be a solution, an explanation, or a plan for observation. Like you can say, I have a plan for solving a certain, maybe a solution. You have an idea for solving a math solution. You can also have an idea of starting a community garden. So from this concept, what comes into your mind when we say a business idea? What entails of a business idea? When you have a business idea, what do you have? What do you look at? Yes, Beatrice?
The market.
This market, very good. Can you clap for Beatrice? This market.
Of the products.
Yeah, there are products in our products. their customers. Yes, Chenrai? Profit. That is very good. Can you clap for same type? Profit. So from all this, we can define the term business idea. So someone can put all these market, products, customers, and profit into one meaning of a business idea. Take a minute and see. A business idea should have market, there should be a product, there are customers, and there's also a profit. Okay, let me try. Yes, a business idea is having a product to be sold to the market. It's a business idea. Is having a product that you can sell to a market, to customers, yes, so that you can make profits. That is very good. Can you clap for Beatrice? Another definition of a business idea.
Can I try?
Yes, Baton.
Can I say it's a process that involves a chain between the customer, the products, and the market in towards maybe gaining profit or
Yeah, that is very good. Can you clap for Baton? So basically, a business idea is a concept. First of all, it is a concept. A concept or a plan that identifies the product. It is a concept, it identifies the product in the market. You also have a market, identifies the product in the market, and also it is offered to customers to satisfy their needs. So this idea is offered to customers to satisfy their needs, as well as generating income. An idea should generate income. Income can come in form of profit or revenue. Is it okay? Yes. Alright. So a business idea is basically the foundation of business, of identifying a business. And a business idea explains what a product or service can be offered, who the target customers are, and also what need or problem the product or service addresses. And also, how can a business earn revenue or make profits? We also have ways of generating business idea. And I want you, at the back of your exercise book, you draw 2 columns. Give one, take one. I want you to identify ways of generating business ideas. One column, you write, give one. In the column of give one, write at least 3 ways of generating business ideas. I'll give you 3 minutes.
Okay.
Ways of generating business ideas. with your neighbor so they can see what they can take from there. Add something that you have written for a way that can now share with me one way of generating a business idea is by, yes, Beatrice?
Identify the market gap.
Identify market gap. Another way of generating a business idea.
Can I say two family in that I normally see some families come together and we can get a business idea.
Yes, through family or friends. Family or friends. Another way, there are so many ways. Yes, Nelima?
What about if I say watching TikToks?
Yeah, through media. Platform Nelima, media. Another way, yes,
Children observation or copying from other successful business.
yes, through observation. Observation. The last point.
You may use your skills and interest to come up with a business idea.
You can use your skills. Like you can have skills in tailoring, and to generate a business idea of stamina, tailoring skills or experiences. All these are ways of generating business ideas. Can you clap for yourself? We can now move to the next objective, which is sources of business ideas. Sources of business ideas. Sources are origins or where all these business ideas are coming from. Sources of business ideas. And with me, we'll do a very interesting exercise whereby Beatrice, can you read for us the instruction on that paper that I've given you?
Okay.
Yes, in column A, what do you have?
First it says identify what sort of business idea not listed above.
Instruction on the first meaning.
Or instruction.
Yeah.
Match the sources of business idea in column A with correct examples in column B.
Ideas. An example of that business idea, of that source of business idea. So from the papers that I've given you, I want you to match a source of business idea in column 1 against an example in column B. I'll give you 4 minutes. Look at the column in A, which is sources of business idea, and you match it against an example in column B. Some interest. Are you done? So, sources of business idea. Like in column A, we have personal experiences. So we can give an example of starting a baking business because you have years of experience in baking. And also another source of business idea is customers' needs, whereby you open a mobile phone shop after customers complain about lack of repair services. Also, we have hobbies and interests, turning a passion for photography into business, market research, discovering a new business opportunity through survey, and also media and publication, whereby you read newspaper articles about increasing demand for organic vegetables. I want us to review the class. What have we learned today? I want you to write something, take a paper, one sentence of what you have done today. Then you can give me the paper if you're done. Just write the key points for easy remembrance. The second will leave you with an assignment that you can do in your groups. So the assignment you can write is describe the process of identification. Describe the process of identification and evaluation of business opportunity. I will also be sending you soft copy notes through the WhatsApp group. You can read them and research more on the topic that you have learned. In the next class, we will be handling business plan. You can also research before we start the next lesson. Have a nice day. Let's meet on the next class.